what's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, hey, Shamila here, so nice to meet you. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. So today's video is very exciting. If you guys remember, then a while ago I made a video on the Lauric hair shots and I absolutely loved them, and today I'm going to review their skin shots. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video where I reviewed their hair shots, I'll put the link in the description box below, so do check it out. I have been having these for around 10 days and it worked really well for me. If you guys know me, I have oily skin which is acne prone as well. So my skin was prone to acne, and a while ago I got my face waxed, which reacted very badly with my skin, and I had like so many acne marks and stuff like that, and I was like, this is never gonna be like, I can never fix my skin again. But thankfully, thanks to Lauric, I did fix my skin. So I've been having these for 10 days like I said, so I just wanted to do a quick review to tell you guys how it's been working for me. So this claims to reduce your acne marks, pigmentation and dark spots. So I don't really have that much pigmentation or dark spots. The major problem with my skin is basically acne, and it did help me reduce that. It has 60 grams of products. There are 15 shots inside and it's priced at just rupees 4.99, which I think is quite affordable. So if you guys have watched the previous video, you know how to use them. You can basically take one of these shots anytime of the day. Like you can have it at night, and you can have it however you want. You can literally just cut the packet and have it. You can mix it in your coffee or in your tea, basically any way you like. I used to have my hair shots with my coffee, but this one I personally have it with some warm water right after I wake up. So this is what the shot looks like. So yeah, it's super easy to use, like you can just have it however you want. It has lauric acid, which is a miracle cleanser. It has papaya, which heals your skin. It has olive, which makes your skin smooth. It has bamboo shoot, which is a damage defender for your skin. It also has stevia plant, which is a revitalizer. It has whey, which is collagen builder. It has avocado, which protects your skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, which helps you maintain the hydration in your skin. It has green tea for sebum competent. It also has ginseng roots, which is a natural skin balancer. Rice, which is a skin booster. We all know that rice is really good for your skin. And cocoa seeds, which has anti-inflammatory properties. You can tell that all the ingredients are natural. So this product is 100% natural and it has zero side effects. It is gluten and soy free, so if you have any allergies, you don't need to worry about that. It's made from 4 grams of coconut lauric. Lauric is world's first unique, safe and 100% natural coconut shots. Thanks to Lauric, it's super easy to achieve clear and glowing skin. I think if you have acne problems like me, I will 100% recommend you guys trying this. So if you guys want to purchase it, the purchase link will be in the description box down below. Also, you can customize your skin shots according to your concerns, which is again an amazing quality. So if you guys want to try them out, I'll put the link again in the description box below, so do check it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, then do give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have any queries. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.